AccessWrap by AFL is a proven attached fibre optic solution for medium voltage energy infrastructure, which has been successfully installed across the world for over 30 years. The AccessWrap solution is small and lightweight, allowing access to remote or hard-to-reach locations, as well as removing the need for heavy installation equipment. This makes it an ideal solution for both rural and urban areas where access or available space can be limited. Cable is supplied on a cassette, which enables the installation to start from a central pole and is installed in both directions simultaneously. Installation is fast and simple, with a spinning machine being manually pulled along the span on foot. The equipment is then passed from one span to the next by hand before being walked along the span to the next tower. Due to the cable being installed directly onto the face conductor, ground clearance is not an issue, and the installed cable adds little loading to the conductor and towers. AccessWrap is an ideal solution for reducing costs, as the replacement or strengthening of weaker poles is not required. The AccessWrap solution comes with specifically designed hardware, including overhead splice cases and section pole insulators. These facilitate circuit isolation and splicing of the cable directly on the conductor at specific locations, reducing the need for unnecessary splices at ground level. Where access to joint locations or terminations are required, novel insulators allow the cable to be brought safely down the pole to ground level. AccessWrap is designed to withstand the harsh environmental conditions around the world and is the ideal solution for adding fibre to meet distribution level requirements. Visit AFL today to learn more.